where you been. I've been getting wins. I've been doing things you ain't never seen. I've been blowing up. I've been showing up. You've been slowing down. We've been going up. Tell me where you been. I've been getting wins. I've been doing things you ain't never seen. I've been blowing up. I've been showing up. You've been slowing down. We've been going up. Hey, tell me where you been doing. Watching when the numbers came, I hit 100K on every drop. Now they watching while it's working out, I'm going all the way up to the top. I've been staying in the game, they gon' know my name, taking what I claim. Always got the flame, always got the blame. They looking the same, they looking so lame, trying to fit the frame. No, that ain't how I go, no, that ain't how I roll. They busy hating now, but they been fading out. Tell me where you been. I've been getting wins.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to JMC Rides. I'm John. I'm gonna give it about a minute and a half for you guys to join in on the live stream. The paint on this red wide body is ridiculously perfect. It's so shiny. It's almost like a glowing red. I love the red on this car. And to be honest with you, if I didn't get the granite crystal that matches my Jeep, this is the color I also would have went with. Big fan of it. Now check out the wrap. This one's mine over here, John. This is mine. Check out the tires. Now, I want to show you guys the tires and wheels on this car. This one has really wide wheels and tires. He's running 345s in the back. I'll show you guys. I'm going to do a little close-up. I appreciate that, Jay Smiggs. I'm going to do a little walk around and show you guys. Check out the wrap on this Hellcat also. Some badass cars. You guys got to look at my new drag radials. I'm going to make a separate video about it. I'm not going to tell you what size they are in my car. Got a separate video. They're crazy though. All right, let's go take a look at these wheels in the back. What's up, Humble Beast? Check this out, guys. Where is it? Check it out. 345, 30, 20. Look at how wide these tires are in the back. Show you guys a picture of mine now. I'm not going to show you the size of mine, but just kind of note how mine is actually flush with the flare right now. Look at how much more I'm filling in that wheel gap that I had before. With the last drag radials I had a lot more wheel gap. Now I have a lot less, and these tires are ridiculous. Doing a race from a dig, I would be very confident to do a nice little race with a GTR now. Then we got an SRT over here. The Highway Bull. It's from Mopar Misfits. This one belongs to Mike. If there's anybody in there recognized, let me know. So what do you guys think about the red eye? I got a theory about the red eye, but that's going to be a separate video. You guys want to see a Charger? Got a Charger too. We got a little bit of everything over here today. It's really nice blue. You want to see the inside? All right, I'll show you the inside of my Hellcat. My Hellcat is filled with cameras in the passenger seat, but I'll show you the inside right now. You got the inside over here. You got the mats. Demonic red leather. Still got the tags. I got some modifications coming soon for the interior. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button on this. You guys ready to do a sort of a cold start? Not really a cold start, because it's a little warm. But let me go ahead and start up my Hellcat for you. Look at the rear ends on these guys. This one, if you're not following this guy on Instagram, go give him a follow. This is his Instagram account. It's a pretty popular wide body on IG. Torred 707. You know what? I'm gonna include you right here. Can you rev it up a little bit on yours? Got a Beamer for you guys too. Wow. I like those pops, man. The little pops, it's nice. New on the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Give the video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next video.
I've been doing things you ain't never seen. I've been blowing up. I've been showing up. Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me